Welcome back, explorers. You're tuned in to Building Blocks, and we're journeying through the exhilarating landscape of artificial intelligence. If you're just joining us, we've already peeled back the layers of AI's history and dissected the engine behind AI, algorithms. Now, it's time to plunge into a concept that's truly reshaping our world: machine learning. So, what's machine learning, you ask? Well, if you picture artificial intelligence as a vast, futuristic city, machine learning is its beating heart. At its core, machine learning is about empowering computers to learn from data, much like we humans learn from our experiences. The aim? To create machines that can find patterns, make predictions, and improve their performance over time, all without the need for explicit programming. Sounds a bit like magic, doesn't it? To understand machine learning, think about how you'd learn to recognize a cat. You'd examine various pictures of cats, observe their common characteristics: the whiskers, the pointy ears, the furry tail, and soon enough, you can distinguish a cat from a dog or a hamster. That's essentially what machine learning does, but on an epic, supercharged scale. But machine learning isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of deal. There are different types, each with its unique way of learning from data. Let's demystify them. First off, we have supervised learning, where you feed the computer data that's already been labeled. It's like giving the computer cat pictures tagged as cat, and it learns to predict the correct label for new, unseen data. Then there's unsupervised learning, where things get a bit more exciting. Here, the computer is given and labeled data, and it has to find patterns or structures all on its own. Think of it like handing someone a jigsaw puzzle without showing them the picture on the box. The challenge? To piece together the puzzle and make sense of the final image. And finally, we have reinforcement learning. In this approach, a machine or an agent learns by interacting with its environment, by trial and error, just like a child learns to walk or a gamer learns to navigate a new video game. The machine gets rewarded or reinforced for correct decisions and penalized for wrong ones, hence the name. Machine learning isn't just some buzzword that tech folks love to throw around. It's already deeply integrated into our daily lives. Think about it. When your email filters out spam, when your music app curates a playlist just for you, or when your GPS finds the best route to your destination, that's machine learning working behind the scenes. And yet, despite its pervasive presence, we're still only scratching the surface of machine learning's potential. Researchers and innovators worldwide are continuously pushing the boundaries, finding new ways to apply machine learning that could revolutionize everything from healthcare and education to space exploration and climate change solutions. Well, folks, it's time to wrap up our third episode. We've ventured into the heart of machine learning, but our journey is far from over. Next up, we're diving deeper into a subset of machine learning that's taking AI by storm: deep learning. Stay tuned, share the knowledge, hit that like button, and subscribe to Building Blocks to journey with us into the future of AI. And remember, as we go deeper, the learning never stops, for us or the machines. Thanks for watching.